Good morning. Example number 2, our chapter 15 probability. We learn about probabilities topics, most important topics. Sum of all event of probability of all event is equal to 1. Values of probability is lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. Sure event, probability of sure event is 1. Probability of impossible event is 0. Probability of event cannot be negative, never be negative. And probability of event happening plus probability of event not happening is equal to 1. We know all these points. For remember, here example number 2. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times. We get 2 heads 105 times. 1 head is equal to 275 times. And no head that 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Here we toss 2 coins. How many times? 500 times. Total 500 times. 2 coins. Suppose one coin having head and tail. And other coins is its event head and tail. Here 2 coins. Now for understanding, we toss here 1 coin and 2 coin. First we get edge and here second on tail. Then for our we get 4 types of event. Head on both sides. Head on both coin. We get head and head. Therefore head tail. Tail head and tail. We get 4 types of these type. Here we get both 2 times head. In this event we get 1 time head and 1 time tail. In this event we get no head. We get all times tail. Then remember we toss 2 coins. Then getting total trial. Suppose total trial 1 time toss 1 time. Here I get on first coin get head and second coin get also head. Then I got H. Total trial how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what is common upside. Suppose HH, TH, first T and second H, other, or in first H, second T, or both are T. There are 4 events occurs in this trial. In these types, 500 times, tossing 2 coin 500 times, 1 time, 2 time, then 2 heads. 2 heads, that means these types of event. HH, get 105 times. 1 head, get 275 times. And no head, 1 head, that means both are included. Here, 1 head get in this type HT or TH and no head, therefore both coin upside getting TT, therefore no head is equal to 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. It is for your remember. Occurrence for here we write let 2-head event of getting 2-head is equal to A, or is denoted as A. Event of getting 1-head is B, and event of getting no head, here the spelling is no head is C. Here occurs 3 events A, B, C, 2 head, 1 head and no. Number first. Find the probability of occurrence 2 head. The probability of getting 2 heads is equals to PA. Probability of getting 2 heads is equals to PA. Therefore, PA is equals to getting heads 105 times. Here I write total trial is equals to total trial 500. Total trial 500. PA is equals to 105 upon 500. You simplify this or not? Here I simplify. Suppose it is written as 21 5s and 100 5s is equals to 0.21 or 0.210. You write here it is divided by 500, then 210, otherwise you write 0.21. Okay, suppose you find here is not 10, 100, then we write it is as it is. Don't convert into decimal. Number 2, the probability of getting, what is the probability of getting 1 head is equals to PB, is PB. 1 head getting is events B, then its probability is called PB. PB is equals to, how many times he gets? He gets 1 head, he or she 275 times. 275 divided by 500 is equals to, here I divide it. 25 ones are 11 into 25. Here 20 into 25. Then we write here 11 upon 20. Or suppose you have it is so simplest form. Other you write like it is divided or multiplied 2 by 2, then 0.55. This answer is 0.55 or 11 upon 20. You write both values are same. You write any value. Number 3. The probability of getting no head is PC. Event is C. Therefore, probability of getting no head is PC. So, PC is equals to no head. How many times? 100 120 times upon total. Total is equals to 500 times. 0 0 got. Here I get 6 to the 25 to the 6 upon 25. You write like this, or 24 0.24. You write like this, 0.24 dividation. But do not in point form, decimal form, write here fraction. 6 upon 25. Okay? Example number 2. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times and we get 1 head, 2 head 105 times, 1 head at getting 275 times, and no head is equals to 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Suppose one coin has HT and TH. It is not necessary to write in your notebook. It is for your understanding. You write your sums here. Find solution is here. Total price is equal to find. Here 2 coins HT HT. Therefore 4 event occurs HH, HT, TH or T. In first event, both are head. 2 times we get head. In second and third, we get 1 time head. And in fourth occur, we get no head. In this question, event of getting 2 heads is A. Event of getting 1 head is B. And event of getting no head is C. And find all events, probability of all events, the probability of getting 2 heads. PA is equal to 0.21, here 0.55 and sum of 0.24. All the sum 0.21 plus 0.55 plus 0.24 is equal to 1. Occurs all events, sum of all events, probability of all events is equal to 1. Okay, here example number 2 completed. Example number 3. A dice is thrown 1000 times with the frequencies for the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as given in the table. Outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, how many times? 179. 2, 150 times. 3, 157 times. 4, we get 149 times. 5, 175 times. And 6, 190 times. All numbers is equal to sum of all numbers is here 1000 times. Find the probability of getting each outcomes. In this question, the dice is tossed 1000 times. Then we get 179 times. We get 690 times. Here we write getting 1. The event of getting 1 is called A. Event of getting 2 is called B. Event of getting 3, 4, 5, 6 are called C, D, E, F. Okay, all events are called A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, probability of event A, PA is equals to number of getting 1 upon total number of outcomes. Number of getting 1, how many times? 179 times. Total number of outcomes is 1000 times. 179 upon 1000, then we write 0.179. Easily we write in decimal form, then we write in decimal form. 0.179. As it is, calculate all these events. Now solutions. Total trials is equal to 1000. Total trials is equal to 1000. Event of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are A, B, C, D, denote are denote A, B, C, D, E and F respectively. For getting 1, we denote A. Getting 2, its event called B. Getting 5, its events called E. Okay? 6, getting 6, its events called F. Probability of getting 1 is equal to is P. Then PA is equal to, first time we write formula, then other events we directly calculate. PA is equal to number of getting 1 or frequency of 1 getting 1 upon total trials. Okay? Number of getting 1 upon total trials. Here number of getting 1 is equal to 179 is equal to 179 upon total times. Total trials is equal to 1000 is equal to 0.179. First event is equal to 0.179. Now we calculate for the outcomes. The dice is thrown 1000 times with the frequencies for the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the probability of getting each outcomes. Here I find first getting 1, outcomes getting 1 and probability of it. Here I calculate 2. Then you do calculate in your notebook 3, 4, 5, 6 all self. PB is equal to other, you write here probability of getting 2 is PB. Then PB is equal to number of getting 2 how many times? 150 times upon 1000. Then you write 0.150 or 0.50. You write on self probability of getting 3. Here I write probability of getting 3 is PC. Probability is called PC. Then PC is equal to number 3. How many times we get? It gets frequency of number 3 is equal to 157. 157 upon 1000 is equal to 0.157. Then you get probability of getting 4, probability of getting 5 and probability of getting 6. Complete this question in your notebook. All self. Example number 3.